Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I have 3 easy vegan salad recipes for you. First, I'm gonna make the curry salad with chickpea croutons and roasted carrots. Next up is our savory and sweet cranberry salad with smoked mozzarella and pomegranate vinaigrette. And next is our sweet kale honeycrisp apple salad with walnuts and balsamic vinaigrette. So for our curry salad, we're gonna need some sea salt, some black pepper, paprika, olive oil, of course some curry powder, a red onion, baby carrots, tahini, chickpeas, and for our salad, I'm going to be using this kale, Brussels sprout, broccoli, green cabbage, and red cabbage.
Give me a chance to make it right. Just let me touch you like the first time. We don't need answers to survive. Just let us keep on with the black guys. With the black guys. Hanging up to see if you would call me. I miss you more when you seem too far away. And you can blame it all on me as long as we can find our way. Do you remember all the times we tried to stop this? Yeah, we end up the same every time. Cause when our bodies meet, there's nothing left to fight about. We're holy when we touch anyhow. Give me a chance to make it right. Just let me touch you like the first time. We don't need answers to survive. Just let us keep on with the black guys. Give me a chance to make it right. Just let me touch you like the first time. We don't need answers to survive. Just
For our cranberry and smoked mozzarella salad, you're going to need spinach. I'm using this Miyoko smoked vegan mozzarella, some dried cranberries, some slivered almonds, organic pomegranate vinegar. You can use balsamic vinegar as well, agave, Dijon mustard, 1 clove of garlic, and 1 shallot. I'll only be using half of this.
we're always on the edge. We fight and make love at the same time. Would you break up just because I told you what I did last night? I recall the times you said you're sorry, and still I'm not sure if you told lies. But I don't care, it's all forgotten now. We're holy when we touch anyhow. Holy when we touch anyhow. Give me a chance to make it right. Just let me touch you like the first time. We don't need answers to survive. Just let us keep on with the black guys. With the black guys. Hanging up this.
For our Honeycrisp kale salad, I have a bag of kale, walnuts, some dried cranberries, of course a Honeycrisp apple, 1 clove of garlic, the other half of a shallot, some maple syrup, Dijon mustard, and some balsamic vinegar.
Every time. 'Cause when our bodies meet, there's nothing left to fight about. We're holy when we touch anyhow. Give me a chance to make it right. Just let me touch you like the first time. We don't need touch you like the first time. We don't need answers to survive. Just let us keep on with the black guys. Somewhere in between our secrets, there's an imminent storm. It's unavoidable, yeah. But as long as I feel that you see me, I will pay no mind. Pay no mind.
So that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Oh, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Twitter.